Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will be showing you how to withdraw money from Lotus 365 in just a few simple steps. Let's get started. First of all, log into your Lotus 365 account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, head over to the banking or cashier section of your account. Here you will see the option to withdraw. Click on it and you will be asked to choose your preferred withdrawal method, whether it's bank transfer, e-wallet, or another option. Next, enter the amount you want to withdraw. Make sure it's above the minimum withdrawal limit. Double check everything, your withdrawal amount and payment method, then hit enter. Then hit submit to request your withdrawal. That's it. Thanks for watching.